optical sorter confirms consistent sizing and ripeness on this lot.
Visual inspection confirms the quality parameters are holding steady.
In the slicing area, onions are cut into uniform rings or pieces by precision slicers, ensuring even drying and consistent powder quality.
Once dried, the onion pieces are transferred to a cooling area, where fans and conveyors bring them to the ideal temperature for grinding.
Is passed through vibrating screens and ensuring a smooth, premium product.
How are the moisture tests coming along?
Almost done. The readings look consistent with the last shipment.
Improved onion powder is transferred to blending tanks, where it may be mixed with anti-caking agents or other ingredients for improved shelf life. The fleet management system confirms all deliveries are on schedule.
Real-time tracking ensures we meet our deadlines every time.
Using advanced analytical technology, we rigorously test every batch of onion powder for quality, flavor, and safety. All production data is logged and analyzed by the factory's central computer system, ensuring traceability and quality control.
The energy-efficient systems really minimize our environmental footprint.
And the waste recycling program is fully integrated into the process.
The sulfuric notes are more pronounced in this batch.
Yes, but the color consistency is improved over the last run.
By utilizing this predictive data, we can optimize the servicing schedule.
This approach significantly reduces our
The logistics software coordinates with retailers, ensuring just-in-time delivery and optimized inventory management across the supply chain. These protocols ensure efficiency,
integrating directly with the automation unit shown here.
And what about the staff training required for this?
Use the real-time data from the production floor to address the delivery status inquiries.
Yes, I see the update now. Your order is confirmed for delivery tomorrow.
The automated systems are showing green across all data integrity checkpoints.
Excellent. Cybersecurity Protocol V.1 is successfully ensuring full compliance.
The IT department ensures cybersecurity and data integrity for all automated systems in the onion powder factory. From initial scan to final packaging, our high-tech process ensures every granule of onion powder meets the strictest quality standards. Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes advanced automation to transform raw onions into fine powder with unparalleled efficiency. This shipment meets all the criteria for the fast-track compliance agreement.
Good. Send the confirmation to the London office immediately.
The dissolved oxygen levels look good, well within compliance.
Good. Let's log it.
During the drill, ensure all pathways remain clear.
Fire extinguisher is optimal.
Flushing sequence initiated on the eyewash station.
The supply chain team manages sourcing, ensuring only certified suppliers are used for onions and packaging.
Look at these network latencies, they're spiking.
Is that affecting data throughput in Sector 4?
We need to reroute immediately.
This configuration optimizes the dehydration rate while maintaining flavor integrity.
Which aligns with the kinetic data shown here on the screen.
The energy management system uses renewable sources to power production where possible.
The waste management system recycles water and packaging materials, reducing environmental impact.
Truck 3 needs the powder shipment now.
Copy that. Confirming load on tablet.
All manifests updated in the GPS system.
The customer feedback loop integrates suggestions into product development for future onion powder offerings.
The compliance team ensures all products meet international food safety and quality standards.
Yes. The robotic arms are calibrated perfectly now.
Look at the throughput metrics on screen 3.
We have a hydraulic failure in Sector 4. Initiate emergency cooling protocols immediately.
Confirmed. Engaging the bypass pump now. Pressure stabilizing.
As you can see here, the process is fully automated.
And this machine handles the grinding phase.
Exactly, ensuring a consistent powder quality. The mix consistency looks perfect this time.
The data confirms it. Yield improved by 10%.
Excellent. Let's move forward with this formula.
Looking at the Q3 production metrics, we clearly see a dip in the blue line. This area represents our biggest opportunity.
Our fastest route for the powder is currently through the Suez Canal. And the documentation for the East African shipments?
They cleared customs yesterday.
Our goal is to design and implement advanced automation solutions, driving efficiency and precision in the manufacturing process.
Looking at the progress report for onion powder production, we've successfully increased our waste diversion rate significantly, putting us on track for our zero waste goals.
Our quality control lab uses advanced testing methods to detect allergens and contaminants in every batch of onion powder. We create these virtual tours specifically for our customers and partners.
How are they utilizing the feature?
Primarily for showcasing new office layouts.
The volatile profile on this batch is significantly higher.
Yeah, that explains the sharper aroma, but the texture seems consistent with the control group.
The logistics network ensures timely delivery to retailers and distributors nationwide.
The HR team supports ongoing training and professional development for all staff.
weeks. The maintenance schedule is optimized using predictive analytics and IoT sensors.
The customer service portal provides real-time order tracking and support.
As you can see, our operational carbon footprint is significantly reduced this quarter.
The renewable energy transition is clearly paying off.
The projections confirm the sustainable model is viable. And this prototype demonstrates how we integrate the new technology.
This new biomaterial is the sustainable solution we've been looking for.
The design integrates perfectly.
Yeah. And the projections show a massive adoption rate.
The net weight is listed correctly on the primary panel.
Good. Now cross-reference that with the variance allowances in the manual.
Reviewing the Asia-Pacific shipments, we need confirmation on the Anchorage transfer.
Confirmed. We've secured priority clearance.
Excellent. That ensures smooth delivery to the final hubs.
As you can see, the metrics confirm our growth trajectory.
Exactly. So the new goals must focus on optimizing these processes for continuous improvement.
The Q3 efficiency gains are clear. How do we translate this into our Q4 targets? I suggest we set a stretch goal of 15. The digital monitoring system provides real-time updates on every stage of the onion powder production process. Look at the diversion rates since we started the new program. That's fantastic news for the quarterly goals.
And the energy savings are exceeding expectations too.
By focusing on these recycling initiatives, we can realistically achieve a 40% reduction in waste by Q3.
Exactly.
Rerouting these segments cuts emissions by 20% and ensures timely delivery of the onion powder shipment. Watch the robotic arms calibrate. We need to optimize the pick-and-place sequence for the yellow items on the belt.
The largest onion powder U.S. factory starts a new day, continuing its mission to deliver premium onion powder products using cutting-edge technology.